I like these houses, don't you? Oh my gosh, I wonder if that's Jody in the big club there. Let's see. Man of the mansion. How does it feel?
It's good, you know?
Hey.
It's like a king.
Mom kept saying you have arrived. I'm like, no, it's not. Hi.
Alright, how are you?
Good day, good day.
Where's Jody?
Upstairs. With the bowling, we have Jody from Team Fantastic Four.
Ready?
Lord of mercy, goody. Too close. That Jody was not that close.
What do you think of the wall? Don't pass the wall.
Exactly. Coming up next is Team Ninja Turtles Donatello. Uh-oh.
1, 2.
Alright. Yup.
Okay.
Zidane. In the building, live and direct. Are we gonna melt the cheese or just okay? Okay. Alright. Then what we do?
Are the gravy? Are the cheese?
Gravy next? Just pour it?
That's all. And evenly.
Alright. So just notice that they use high cheese curd, but for us we're using what we have. Alright. Or Nigerian stuff. Okay, so what is this, Adisha?
This is also, and then here you have your rice, and then you have the beef there, and there's a little bit of sauce.
Alright, so let's sample the poutine. Like, are we Canadian enough?
After one.
Not to have a pleasantly surprise. Yeah, so asungo, that one was so interesting for me because in Jamaica, what we do is that we curry the goats, right? And this is some kind of fried thing. Is it like, they just do what?
Fried, spicy, pepper, poutine.
So just season the goat meat and then put it in oil.
Very little oil mostly. There's like a special pan thing that they do mostly, and then it's like using charcoal to.
Oh,
But I don't know if they do that here.
probably not.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, and then the chicken suya is pretty much just shredded chicken. I'm guessing it looks shredded. And then jollof rice. I'm guessing. I hear you guys love a lot of tomatoes and stuff. It's like tomatoes.
And tomato base before the rice. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Lord have mercy.
Spicy.
A joke. I'm joking. I'm a little spicy, but I like it. I'm pleasantly surprised.
Regular spice, so it's just like basic spice.
What do you think, Jalen?
Spicy, well seasoned.
Well seasoned though.
Like it?
Like,
Shauna.
what do you think?
Yeah, almost good enough. That can't tell you.
Wait, have a wait to try the other part.
Jollof? Yeah. Very good.
Jala.
Oh, jollof. Sorry, jollof.
Just a minute F at the end.
It's pretty good. It's good.
Yeah, that's right.
It's spicy, but right.
Alright, so let's go with the chicken suya. The chicken breast.
So the same spice is really hot.
Couldn't tell me that before. Good no man, but it's spicy. This is more than scotch bonnet.
It's not that spicy.
I think if you know before,
Spicy, man.
but I wasn't expecting the spice. And it just started tickling me, like.
Spicy.
But this is good. And you probably had a nice work. It's nice though. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh, you know, spicy. Do you want water?
The clothes, bro.
Where's the palate?
It's good, it's good.
You like it, right? It's awesome goat now.
Woo! No, this one I should start with first. What are we supposed to expect with the goat? Exactly.
It most likely would be spicy.
Everything's spicy. Oh. It's like everything from Nigeria spicy.
It's just goat meat, but then we call it asum because of the way it's
Assume?
asum.
Assume.
A-S-U-N, asum.
Okay,
Asum.
assume go.
Asum is just goat meat. Like, it's like, yeah, kind of like meat.
Alright, that's serious note now. Shana, don't let me go in already. Shana, never stop. Yeah, but we never reached it. We never reached the accent. And that's why we really, I mean, we thought now.
Ready?
Alright, let's try the assume goat right now.
Right.
Not my favorite.
What do you think?
Tastes good, but a little bit chewy.
Too chewy.
Yeah.
Honestly, I've been chewing and I'm hoping to honestly, I'm not chewing, I'm like, there's something that bubble gum, like, it's just going on. So, in all honesty, for me, my assessment is that the chicken suya is amazing, quite spicy like everything else, but it's amazing. The jollof rice, at least this one, is really good as well, really flavorful. The asungo, to be honest,
Don't like?
yeah, like as Sean put it, a little too chewy for me, because I've not even been able to finish chewing it out yet. What about you, Sean? How do you find our Nigerian
You know what?
dishes?
Trying this for the first time, I would, I'll give it a 8 out of 10. You know, it's good. The only issue is the goat meat. Like I said, it's a bit chewy, but spicy, right? It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I enjoy it though.
Jamie?
What about you, Jalen?
Spicy. I'll give it a 7.5.
7.5? Why 7.5 as opposed to an 8 or a 9 or a 10? Or a 10.
The flavors, it was too much.
Too much.
Oh, too much for you. And you have an expensive palate. For me, I would say, honestly, I'd say 8. And I say 8 because of the goat. Because I still have the goat in my mouth. Waiting for some paper towel. Honestly, it's like water pass that we can't have some paper towel because that's noted that the goat is still in my mouth.
It's the skin. The skin.
Problem solved. Thank you, Jody. So I would say 8, just because of that. So that's it for our tasting of some cuisine. But it would not be food time if we didn't feature some Jamaican food. So we won't be talking. I may actually find out how Khadija loves our jerk chicken. But apart from that, we finished our assessment of the Poutine and the Nigerian food. I'm gonna have a good vibe. But I'll stop in with Khadija in a few just to see how she's enjoying our jerk chicken. Yes, we had some jerk chicken and some bag of things. And so we're gonna turn you into a whole Jamaican before you leave here.
This is the jerk chicken.
Okay. Silence but nodding. What does that mean?
Because I actually better than the jerk that I buy outside.
Hey, big up yourself, Sean.
Because I can actually taste the usually you wouldn't be able to taste the seasoning on the inside. But I can actually taste it.
So we took a break to play some more games, but we actually filmed an episode on job hunting and career pivoting. So we have lots of information to share, and I'll drop that in on the next one. Bye.